In this lesson, we're going to take a look at sheet revision management and, clouding and tagging your items. So once you make a change on the drawing and then you want to cloud it to indicate that change, the first thing you have to do is set up that revision in the project. Now, if I go to the Manage tab under the Settings ribbon panel, you have additional settings. If I go to the drop down, this is where I will find Sheet Issue Revisions. So if I go ahead and select that, I can see all the various revisions that have been issued for this project. I have a date they were issued, a description of the revision, and then if they were issued or not, once the change is done and issued, I could place a check mark. And then what do I want to see in my plan? Well, as revisions are done and issued, go ahead and we turn the cloud off, but you have an option to turn everything off, show just the tag, or show the cloud and tag. So down at the bottom here, let's say we're going to issue, let's say that these last two revisions have been issued and I just want to leave the tag. Now I'm going to go ahead and add another revision. Okay, and we'll put in today's date. We'll say 9/24/2010, and I'm just going to say whatever. We'll just say hall bath revisions, client revision. And I want to be able to cloud it and tag it. So, and that's revision number 12. So now when I select OK, that revision is now being a project issuance. So anytime I cloud anything in the project, I can automatically associate it to it. So if I go to the Annotate tab now and go ahead and select my Revision Cloud tool, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this hall bath here and just go around and select points so I could draw my revision cloud. Once it closes out, I come up here and say that I want to finish edit mode, and then in my annotation I can go here and just say tag by category and then pick my revision cloud. Now notice that it says revision 12, and if I pick the cloud itself has properties. Okay, and it's telling me what the revision number is. I can go to the drop down for some reason if it had to be associated to a different revision, and that would take care of that. So now that I've actually placed this revision on this sheet, if I go up into my title block here, notice that revision number 12, and it has a date on it. So that's associated to my project revisions, and it automatically gets added showing me the revisions that are on this specific sheet.